Okay, so welcome back to part 2 of a driving test route app No1, and let's get back on it. So a good look around you before you're moving off, and we're back to this point where we're doing an angled move off. So always make sure we can see there's nothing coming from the right hand side, just nice and easily move out. Anything coming on would have priority. Make sure it's safe before you start going. So at the end of the road we're going to be turning left. Off the gas. We have got quite a bit of a blind corner on the left hand side and the right hand side up until this point where it's just starting to open up. Yeah, it's not supposed to come down that bit. The car that turned in then was supposed to go past the island on the right hand side and turn in at that point, so give way section all the way across it. So we're going to go straight on at the next roundabout. See already it's quite busy to the right hand side, we can't really see. Slowing it down, 15 miles an hour, second gear, just allow it to roll up into first. A nice little bit of gas, staying over the top left hand side. Again, you can see up in the road ahead now, we've got the crossing, we've got all the traffic building up, we're just going to kind of hold back, allow the car to just nice and slowly proceed forward under its own momentum. In second gear here, alright, it will slow down to about 6 miles an hour. Once the vehicles in front start to move forward, then you can start to increase your speed a bit more. So we're going to be left at the roundabout, first exit. Mirror left signal. Ease off the gas, cover the brake and clutch, be aware, making sure there's nothing coming from that left hand side. So next roundabout we're going to go in second exit. Off the gas, slowing us down, 20 miles an hour, slowing it down, keep slowing it down, keep slowing it down, making sure we can go. Mirrors before you come back into that left hand side. At this point, because we're coming into that left hand side, keep an eye on that vehicle on that right hand side of you. You are going to have to start coming back over, away from any of these parked vehicles. Make sure mirrors check, edge over a little tiny bit at a time. We're going to be going right shortly at the traffic lights onto Queen's Gate. Nice and slow, making sure you can go into the middle before you actually go past that bike bit. Now, as we come up to this next roundabout, this roundabout's a little bit tricky. Coming from the opposite way is different from as you would come up to it from this side. We want to be onto the left hand side to go straight on, whereas coming the other way from where the bus is, you're actually more closer to the roundabout itself. There's no markings other than the slight bit of white markings on that right hand side over there. We want to come over towards the left hand side at this point, staying over like so. So if you're coming this way, make sure that you're on that left hand side. Keep an eye out, we can't really see around this bend, off the gas, cover the brake and clutch, just in case we don't know what's going on behind that parked car over here. Back onto the gas a little bit more now. Another good area for them to be able to pull you up on the left hand side anywhere down here. Even to do a reverse parallel park just next to that white car. Off your gas, cover your brake just in case something like that. The car on the left hand side might have started pulling out there, so just be aware of any of these smaller roads where you can't see past. We go left at the end of the road. Sure we can see. We're checking our mirrors, looking out for bikes, easing off the gas just at that point. It's a really sharp corner coming in there, and the lights could change quite suddenly just as you're coming round. It's got quite a bit of loose road surface on the road here, making sure just about 15 miles an hour would be really nice and comfortable at this point, especially with all the parked cars coming this way and that way. Once the road opens up, then we can start getting back up to about 20 miles an hour. At the roundabout up in the road ahead, we're going to be going right towards Station Avenue. Mirror right, mirror, signal in, off the gas, cover the brake and clutch. Keep an eye out. No one in the lane next to the roundabout, so it's quite easy for us to go. Be aware as you come off that roundabout, that tree does hamper your view to the left hand side of the crossing. Traffic lights are going to be turning right. Maintain your position on the right hand side next to the white line. Don't get confused and follow the vehicle in front of you. Don't need a signal on just yet. Putting that handbrake on at that point. You might be stuck here for quite a bit of time, so taking it out of gear. Never understand why the people in front start moving off, even though it's still on a red light. Just keep your distance, let them move off first. See how it's just getting bunched up? just let them move off, and then you can start going forward, and not really how to, you know, really accelerate out of it. Just nice and easy. Straight up here, it's that right hand side lane, off the gas. We're going to try and see whether or not the lights will change. Obviously not, just braking. Now where is this vehicle going in front? Are they just coming around the corner and not turn the signal off, or are they going to be going right into B&Q? Just give them that chance to be able to move off and, you know, veer out to the left hand side if that's what they were going to do. Don't just try and go around them. We're coming back on the home stretch now, back towards the test centre, so you don't want to be making any type of like silly little mistakes like that. And we're going to be going left at the roundabout, keeping an eye for anybody walking across like this. Cover the brake and the clutch, slow it down, be aware there's kids there, keep that brake and clutch covered on something like that. There is signals, keeping an eye out for that grey car to the right hand side. It's not signalling, but it's coming down here. The blue one is, but it's going off. Again, we've got any type of so anywhere here you might be pulled into Morrison's to do the Bay Park or Ford Bay Park. Same into McDonald's on the left hand side. Off the gas, we've spotted that woman just there. She's going to cross. Okay. Covering the brake and clutch. Now, the hierarchy of road users, you know, doesn't really apply there in the same way as it would do if you were turning into a road or coming out of a road. But be aware that people will start crossing. As soon as they start to cross, just try and give way. I had my brake and clutch covered there at that point, so it wasn't too much, and it was already going slow, so it wasn't too much of an inconvenience to myself or anyone else around me to be able to stop. Now, they might just pull you up at the side, just here, like so, and that would be the end of your test at that point. I hope that helps. I'll see you again shortly in the next one.